Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to the vlog. They are with Daddy Winks, my bro. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tami Winkle, and if you're a returning subscriber or returning viewer, big up yourself. I appreciate your support always. We are in the streets of Ocho Rios, and it's all about the Independence Day celebration. So, the big Jamaica 64. Yeah, me I go show you what go on in the streets. So stick and stay. We just a walk. We don't really know what we are doing yet or where we are go. But just join us on the journey, alright? Yeah. Turkle River Park. Why guys? Over here so? And one thing, me know say if nowhere in a Ochi, not do nothing. For Independence Day. Turkle River Park always come out with them decoration. Look there. Beautiful. If you've never been to the park yet, make sure you guys check it out. It is a free park. Monday to Sunday, 8 to 6, alright? Look there, man. Whoa. Love this. And them say Independence celebration. Last year Independence, they had a festival over here. It was nice. They had rides for the kids, a lot of bounce about. They had like a stage show, dancing competition, so many other things. It was very nice. And so guys, me never given a viewer tour of the park yet. What could have caused that? I'm ready over here so often. If you want, you can come over here. You can bring your food, you can bring a blanket, towel, just lay out it on the lawn, read your book, chill out, eat, anything like that. It is welcome. It is open to everyone. Woo. Nice sign. It's the Emancipation Day one. But yes, they have some chairs here. They do have like gazebos over there where you can just sit down and hang out. So I tell you about people over here how do them look a picnic and thing. That's the kind of vibe. You can do that. Now, even though they say it's Turtle River Park, guys, where are the turtles? Where the turtle then there? Where the turtle then there? It is nice though. One thing I do admire about the park, they keep it very clean. Like the landscape, yes, they keep it clean. The trees are cut, as you can see, nice and in shape. All right. And once you're over here, make sure you're gonna feed the fish. A lot of lilies. Yeah, when the park they just opened up, I remember they had turtles over here. But right now, boy, where then them, I don't know. Maybe them, something just dropped down over the side while ago? A chop it down or a drop it? Jesus. Guys, I see that live. I open and drop and nobody do. Whoa. They do have a restroom over here, so when you're over here, you have a nice clean restroom you can use. Nice. Another thing I noticed too when I'm here, there's a lot of people taking photos. Like for weddings, they come over here and take them wedding photos. I'm like, wow, that's beautiful. I don't know if you have to make some form of arrangement for that, or you can just come and get a cameraman and just take your photos whenever. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Keep off the grass. Oh, we did see one fish a while ago. Yeah, but it looked like one since swimming and hide. And they have some little tiki. That's not bad. Beautiful. Over here have some trees too. Whole heap of guava. Whole heap of almond. See? Whole heap of almond. You can bust your almond. You can find one stone. I want this. Do you think it will work? Hold it down close. Guys, when you bust almond, you know, so. Then the stone here, light man. A long time you know bust almond, you know.
How do you feel that over the next one?
You think so? Well, I feel like something happened, man. All me I do is trying to break my finger. Like me do want to strip it down, look a bit.
Better.
Something happened, you know. But I don't know what.
Can't wait to eat.
Ah! Oh my God, then I saw this hard for bros.
Are you the young?
Mama, guys. No, go on, look there. It a fight me. We have to boss today.
What do you think?
It's stone, a chalk stone, guys. You know, good.
If you put it on the big rock there, so.
You feel like it better? Alright. I want rock place. See that? You hear something crack. Wow. Whoa! See that? Oh man! Broke him, you can see.
Yeah, man,
There it is. Yeah, it is. Workout? Yeah. Why me a blow up on it like say hot? Yeah, just right. Overall, guys, you see over here very calm, relaxing and peaceful. If you just want to come, you want to chill out, you want to read a book, you just want to eat, just want a nice place to just relax. Circle Park definitely is the place for you, alright? So yeah, I feel like, ooh, didn't watch me never know so they want to look at falls right here, so? No, so I come like say me I give you a tour and me a tour myself. Because all of them places I never come at, you know. Watch, look at waterfalls, guys. A bashment. Wow. Me like this. It's nice here. Yeah. All right.
More different.
Yeah. When the park just opened,
Yeah,
there were turtles here. But no, me don't know what happened. I don't know if they walk away. They run away.
They're moving up.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah. Guys, everybody come up here and see turtle them. We have to do something about it. You see one? What, turtle? Fish? All right. Alright guys, so right now we are at Island Village. I don't know say yourself in my place. Maybe I saw way too much. Like I said, of course I never shown you there yet, so I'm gonna show you guys there today, okay?
Like we have the side like where's this side? We have the festival. We have the price. You want to mix with one?
Okay. So what you want with yours? Festival? I feel like I stick with the chicken. See if, yeah. Alright, 1 pork, 1 chicken. Quarter.
One chicken.
Quarter.
Both quarter. What the part of the chicken?
Leg and thigh.
Leg and thigh.
Yeah.
And then what is your side?
Festival.
Okay. 3 of each or 2 of each? The festival.
All will come.
$100 each.
100. How much you want? 3. I want 2.
2.
Alright.
I will.
I want 1 mango beer and 1 lemon beer.
Okay, you want me to serve now or after when you're done?
When the food come.
Okay, I will.
Never do it.
Yeah.
Red stripe light, red stripe flavor, right?
Yeah.
1.
1
And another next one is
mango and 1 is lemon.
okay. Your bill is 4,851.
Boy. Guys. Alright, so we are trying this new place at Island Village. I got the jerk chicken. Menu jerk chicken right through with festival, and brother got jerk pork with festival. I'm gonna get lemon beer, and get sorrel beer. So hopefully it tastes good. It is a fairly new place. No say me I go give me honest review on everything. But with the out here, nice little spot. You know, we choose to sit down here, but if you want, you can sit down at the bar. Want other little spot they like. You know which part them are grill up the food and everything, whatever. So yeah, but we're there, so. Ready?
You want sweet and spicy or sweet and spicy or spicy?
You want spicy or sweet?
Sweet.
Sweet.
You want spicy or sweet?
Sweet.
Okay.
If I can just reach
Just sweet. Oh no, new? Like this new? This
Yes.
New
management.
Okay.
We are 1 week.
So you're sure? This come like pepper seed in it, so?
It's sweet. That's sweet. That's sweet.
You're good.
You're good.
Alright, I got review in the place, you know.
Thank you.
So make sure it tastes good.
Make it sure.
Alright.
Make it sure. And then
Oh, drinks? 1 mango and 1 lemon.
1 mango and 1 lemon.
Alright. Probably come up.
Wait.
Oh, wait, okay.
Hey, so I'm big one like that there.
This one is mine. Thank you. Whoa. Oh, this look good enough.
Of course.
Alright guys, we get with food. Smell. Smell good, man. Smell good. What for you want?
You not try yet?
You not try it? Cheers. I drink lemon beer today. I know my OD pan is sour beer already, right? What food? Ooh. Yes. Hot, man. You fling my plate. Yeah, me eat jerk chicken and ketchup. I don't know about nobody else. Oh my god. Why? Hot, man. I don't want to taste it. Yes, they are. Ooh. Yes. Hot. Fresh. It's fresh and it's fresh. Fresh man, fresh sir.
No, sir. I think Jamaica have a homestay. We don't have one here for house. It's good. Thank you.
Good.
It's good. Ooh. Feels really good, guys. I love it. Guys, we're gonna try pork first. No man. This one I get one fling way box. Well done. Well done. All with the sauce. Good right.
Chicken sweet.
Honest review, the place is called the Jerk Loft, right? The jerk chicken to me, yes, it's seasoned good and everything, but it come like it could have soak look more, like it could have stayed look longer on the grill. Yeah. But apart from that, the flavor was there. To brother, when me taste the pork, 10 out of 10. Seasoned to the bone. Soft, flavorful, just everything about the pork. Yes. Love it. What do you think about the pork?
Pork smooth. Believe me. Nice. 10 out of 10. And the chicken, one salt look more. Just that. But other than that, we're good.
Yeah. So I just that as soon 2 o'clock, so we soon go watch a movie. We're watching the Spider-Man, the new one. So yeah, we just chill out for now. Hopefully when we done the movie and come out, we can see whatever else is still going on. So yeah. eat. We just don't eat any movie star right now, so we're not gonna be greedy. Yeah. We're here. So now then give one bathroom break. Yeah, nobody really want to move because we enjoy movie so far. I mean, I like to go on good. But yeah, that's one thing with this theater here. I mean, I know no other theater where stop and get bathroom break or anything like that. So this is pretty cool. So we just finished watching the movie. I mean, I tell you, it is nice. I rate it at 8 out of 10. Yeah, I rate it a solid 8 out of 10. Like the last part did have a twist to it, and that was pretty exciting. How was the movie, bro?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Alright. Alright, so right now we are planning to go get icicle at Chill Pops. If you ever come to Island Village, make sure you check out this place. One of my favorite. I always get the rumsicle though, every time. So yeah. Guys, I'm gonna tell you, say my flavor this. My flavor this 10 out of 10. I get it every time I come here. Every time. Tastes good, yeah? Rumsicle. Alright guys, so another cool part in Island Village, just in case you're here, they have this free rafting where you can just come and take a picture right here. It is so cool and I love that. Yeah, they have whole heap of fish and everything, so cool. Alright guys, so that is it for Island Village. Right now we are gonna walk the town, see what else is happening. You can't tell me say me not go even know look a walk out, a look a breeze out, you know. Walking in the streets of Ocho Rios, just coming from Island Village over here, so you have arbor shops, you have reggae alley, you know, say so the main street. Watch it, look like I'll rain a fall. Guys, make sure say anywhere you want to go anytime, all when sun or shine, walk with an umbrella, please, because trust, you don't know what can go on. Guys, rain start fall, see, we have to have umbrella or something. What hell are go on? I don't know what go on here, man. Something about the weather. This minute sun or shine, and I don't know what to say. From what they are, the heat, man. Something is wrong. I don't know it coming like the sun turn up more than normal. But yes, sun or shine and rain or fall. And you say, what, devil and somebody a fight, that's all. My dear. Whoa. Guys, here rain or fall. Look at Mickey. And them have vibes I can't talk about. You know, say people ain't out here with them jerk pan or something. And then stall. Cause remember say I'm independent, you know, this is what it's all about. The street food with the street vendor, them and everything. You know that already. Yeah man. Soup, everything, roast breadfruit soup, yeah man. Vibes. Thirsty, I get one coconut water, yeah, man, car boy. Where's that man?
Watch yourself, youth.
Thank you. One igloo around here and beer food. I swim and hungry and I come out at night and I swim and hungry all day from 6 to 6. Once you take off. Wait for the speed. Oh, that one there when they hold up on the something and bring it out and fling it off. Yes, sir. Afraid I. Alright. See, you come like 30 feet on your vine now.
Of course. Young people there.
Terrible man. Beach festive. My God. Wow. You see the sun and shine bright. It's a beautiful day here. It look a rain when it fall, but now it just cool down your place a little bit and you can just chill out and you know? So on so. I'm gonna show you the view though.